Hi students, today I am going to explain the exercise 7.1, the chapter factorization. Exercise 7.2 I already uploaded. So this exercise 7.1, our question is find the HCF of the following terms. Actually this is very easy exercise. To get the HCF, here there are two terms 12xy and 3x. You write that product of factors. You write each term as the product of its factors. Here 12xy you can write as 3 into 2 into 2 into x into y. Similarly 3x you can write as 3 into x. For 3x, 3 into x as the factors. So 3x you can write as 3 into x. So you check what are the factors which is common for both 12xy and 3x. Here 3 and 3 is common for 12xy and 3x and x is common. So you take one from each. So 3 and 1x from 2x. So x. So 3 into x equal to 3x. Now second one, 54xyz and 12x square y square. Same way you write 54xy as the product of its factors. It can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into x into y into z, and 12x square you can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into x into y into y. And 2 is common for both 54xyz and 12x square y, and 3 is common for 54xyz and 12x square y square, and x is common and y is common. So you take each from all pairs. So 2, 3, x and y, and taking the product. So 2 into 3 into x into y is equal to 6xy is the HCF of 54xyz and 12x square y square. Now next one, see 21x square y square z and 7xyz. Here 21x square y square z we can write as 3 into 7 into x into y into z. And 7xyz we can write as 7 into x into y into z. So 7 and 7 is common, x and x is common, y and y is common, z and z is common. So you take each from these pairs. So taking the product, HCF equal to 7xyz. Now D, 3a square b cube c cube and 9a cube b cube c cube and 18a square b square c square. Here also you write each term as its product of its factors. So 3a square b cube c cube can be written as 3 into a into a into b into b into b into c into c into c. Now 9a cube b cube c cube you can write as 3 into 3 into a into a into a into b into b into b into c into c into c. And 18a square b square c square you can write as 2 into 3 into 3 into a into b into b into c into c. And here 3 is common, a is common, a is common, and b is common, and b is common, c is common, c is common. So taking the product we will get 3a square b square c square. Here one more method you can do. Here you check 3, 9 and 18. You know the highest factor of 3, 9 and 18 is 3. So you take 3 and a square, a cube and a square. Which one is the lowest power of a? This is a square. So a square is common for both a square, a cube and a square. You can take a square. And b cube, here b cube and b cube and b square. So which one is the smallest power? B square. So you can take b square. And c cube and c square. So you can take c square. In that way also you can do. This c, 21x square y square z, 7xyz. 21 and 7. 7 is the highest common factor that you can take, and x square and x. You can take x, the lowest power x, and y square y, the lowest power is y, 1. The lowest power 1, that is y, and the z and z. So z. In that way also you can do. Now E, 6abc, 7ab cube c and 8abc cube. 6abc you can write as 2 into 3 into a into b into c. 7ab cube c equal to 7 into a into b into b into b into c. 8abc cube you can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into A into B into C into C into C. So here A is common for both three terms and B is common and C is common. You can take this A, B, C and taking the product you will get the HCF. And here also you can take another method 6, 7 and 8. HCF is 1 and A. HCF is A and B cube and B. Here it is B and C cube it is C. So HCF is A, B, C. Now factorize the following. Factorizing means taking the common outside and write as the product of its factors. So b square m plus b square n. There are two terms. In both terms b square is common. You take b square outside. You can write as b square into m plus n. When you take b square from here and b square from here, the remaining terms are m and n. So b square into m plus n. And 54x square y plus 24xy. Here 6 is common for 54 and 24. X is common for x square and x. Y is common for y and y. So you take 6xy outside. Then the remaining factor in 54x square y is equal to 9x. And in 24xy is 4. So when you take 6xy outside, the remaining is 9x plus 4. So you can write as 6xy into 9x plus 4. Now see 10xy minus 5y plus 8 minus 16x. Here there are 4 terms. So you can group by 2 terms and 2 terms. So I group like this 10xy minus 5y and 8 minus 16x. And in the first group 5y is common. So you take outside. So 5y into 2x minus 1 plus 8 is common for 8 and minus 16x. So 8 into 1 minus 2x. Here in the first term it is 2x minus 1 and in the second term it is 1 minus 2x. So to take the common factor you change 1 minus 2x as 2x minus 1 as taking minus 1 outside. So 1 minus 2x we can write as 2x minus 1 as taking minus 1 outside. So this becomes 5y into 2x minus 1 minus 8 into 2x minus 1. Now 2x minus 1 is common. So you can take outside 2x minus 1 into 5 minus 8. 5y minus 8. Now D. 48x cube y plus 36x square y square plus 24x cube y cube. Here you know 48, 36 and 24 are the multiples of 12. So you can take 12 outside 12 and x cube y, x square y square, x cube y square. Here x square you can take and y square and y cube you can take y. I told you the smallest power factor you can take. So y, the power of y is 1. In the first term the power of y is 1 and in the second term power of y is 2 and in the third term power of y is 3. So you take the power of the y having power 1. So 12x square y you take outside. So 12x square y into 4x plus 3y plus 2xy square and equal to 12x square y into 4x. We can combine 4x and 2xy and you can take 2x outside. So that becomes 12x square y into 4x plus 2xy square plus 3y and you can take 2x from 4x and 2xy square. So that becomes 12x square y into 2x into 2 plus y square plus 3y. E. X square yz plus 4x cube y minus 24x cube. Here x square is common for all three terms. So x square you take outside, we will get x square into yz plus 4xy minus 24x. Now you can comparing 4xy and minus 2x. We can combine 4xy minus 2x and taking 4x outside, we will get 4x into y minus 6. So finally we will get x square into yz plus 4x minus y minus 6. Okay students, thanks.